Yo, what is going on YouTube? Back again, it's the Brat Man. For those that are new to my channel, check out my other videos, like and subscribe. You can also check me out on Instagram at Bratman Official. So without further ado, I got a surprise for y'all, and something I've been trying to find for a while. I gave up looking for one though, because I couldn't find any at all. So I want to show you guys a pretty cool surprise. I found a almost just about brand new 1992 Kawasaki KDX 200, which is actually unbelievable. This bike is actually dirty, believe it or not. So here she is, 1992 Kawasaki KDX 200 in remarkable condition. The only downside about this bike is I don't even know if I want to ride it. I think it's just almost like museum quality to ride. I mean, this thing is minty fresh, all original bolts. Even has the gloss on the tank. I mean, come on folks. I don't even have the heart to ride this thing. I mean, I was like, should I get it? Should I not get it? Because I really can't enjoy it, because I don't have the heart to ride this bike. What do you guys think? I mean, I could ride it, but I mean, this thing is just unbelievable. I mean, check out those radical graphics from the 90s. I mean, this thing is just so freaking cool. Original seat, look at that. It's just unbelievable, folks. This bike has like 100 original miles on it. Unbelievable. The guy bought it, barely rode it. I mean, look at this thing, man. It is minty fresh. Unbelievable. Original paint, straight from the factory. I mean, look at this. Unbelievable condition. Come on, folks. You don't see this. You got you bike guys out there, you just never see, you know, a KDX in this condition, which is just unbelievable. Absolute beautiful bike. This thing is just, I can't believe I actually have this bike, which is, to me, it's amazing. It's like if you were to go back in 1992 into a time warp and see this bike. I mean, it's just unbelievable. I mean, look at this. The original grips. Just unbelievable, folks. Look at that. Made in Japan. Original bark busters. Look at that, folks. Unbelievable. You just don't see this, man. I just can't believe it. I mean, this bike is just, it's in remarkable, absolute remarkable condition. It really is. I mean, folks, I just can't. You Kawasaki crazy people out there, man. I mean, check this thing out. Look at that. Look at that shiny carburetor. Look at that. Come on, folks. It's crazy. Can't get over this bike. I mean, check out the, even has the original oil mixture. Minty fresh taillight. Original bag. I mean, check this out. I mean, this thing is just totally awesome. I don't know if the video will do it justice, but it's just in remarkable condition. I mean, I don't have the heart to ride it, man. I just, I don't know. This bike is just in incredible condition. I don't know if I could even take this thing out. I mean, I don't want to mess it up, because I think it belongs in like a museum or something like that, or something close. I wouldn't say it's, I don't know, it's in pretty good shape, but it's clean. And these things are getting rare, more rare. You can't even get them used now. No one really wants to sell them. I mean, you could find them, but they're beat up, man. They're toasted. To find this bike like this, especially with a clean title, this bike has a street title, Pennsylvania clean title, which is unbelievable. You could register this bike and ride it on the street. So, you know, it's just unbelievable. 1992 Time Warp trail bike enduro. This bike it has plenty of power. It's got a lot of low end torque. It was meant for the trails. You can have fun on this bike and you don't have to worry about killing yourself on it. If you guys can find a clean KDX, I would recommend buying one. I have an 89 in there that I'm working on. So if you guys are new to my videos, you can check out my other videos on my 89. And you know, you can check that one out. It's almost done. I'm still working on it. But I just wanted to share this bike with you folks, man. I mean, this is just this is incredible. I mean, you know, you just don't see these anymore at all. I had to share this with you guys because I mean, this thing is just in absolutely excellent condition for a 1992. And it even has the original tires. I mean, look at this. Original tires that aren't even dry rotted. No cracks. I mean, look at that. No cracks at all. Check out the wheels. The wheels are unbelievable. Look at that. Just unbelievable. You know, the bike's sat. The guy bought it new and just never rode it. Unbelievable, folks. Crazy. Really clean example of a all original Kawasaki KDX. It's just amazing. Can't get over this bike. The bag is in excellent shape, but these are always missing or just not there. The gloss, original gloss on the tank. I've seen these tanks going for $500 on eBay. 500 bucks for a used, you know, tank. It's just unbelievable. I mean, look at this. Original grips. Look at that. Made in Japan. Check that out. No scuffs, no scratches, no dent, no major dents. I mean, this is just unbelievable. It's got like 100 miles on it. 155. Unbelievable. That ain't nothing. For 1992. I mean, look at this thing, man. Can't believe it. This bike is just crispy clean. You know, it's not perfect, but man, it is almost perfect. I mean, check out the swing arm. Man, this thing is so clean. Can't get over it. I had to share this with you guys. It's a Bratman special today. Bratman special. This is like a Ken Kaplan bike here. Kaplan Cycles, you know. Ken Kaplan, he gets these bikes like this, like minty fresh. You know, it's just, you don't see this at all. Not like this. I just had to share this with you, share this with you guys. And you know, a new find here. I don't even know if I don't know what I'm going to do with it, because I don't know if I should. I bought it to ride it, but I don't have the heart to ride it, so I really don't know really what I want to do. So I'm just stuck in between on what I want to do. I bought it to ride it, and I didn't know it was going to be in this condition at all. So when I went to go look at this bike, I thought it was going to be like, you know, junk. You know, I was like, oh, I'm wasting my time driving an hour away, and you know what I mean? I thought it was going to be just garbage. I did not know that it was going to be this clean, you know. I just don't even have the heart really to ride this bike, man. It's just I can't get over this, folks. It's clean. Yeah, really clean. I mean, look at this. No dings on the pipe. Original exhaust. Nice and clean. Look at this, man. Original silencer. It's unbelievable. 32-to-1. Still got the sticker on there. I mean, I feel like a little kid in a candy store with this bike. It's just so clean. Super clean, folks. You see the original Kawasaki spark arrestor silencer. Crazy. But I mean, this thing is just, oof, it's clean. Has the original chain guard. These are always missing or broken, if you guys know. You'll never see, you know, the original chain guards. It's very rare you find all that stuff. But I mean, look at this thing. It's so clean. I mean, this bike is actually dirty though, believe it or not. I did not clean this bike at all. So what you see is what you get. I did not wipe it down. I did not clean it. It still has the dirt on it from, I guess, when the guy took it for a spin, the previous owner. But almighty, this thing is just so nice looking. I had to share it with you guys. You can't beat the 90s bikes. They just look amazing. And this is just about as brand new as you're gonna get. I mean, I'm sure you might find a couple of them out there that are, I mean, come on, barely used. I mean, look at this. Original paint. Low hours, folks, all original, low hours. I mean, you just don't see this, man. You don't see this anymore. Clean title bike, you know, one owner, basically. You know, it's just unbelievable. I have not titled the bike at all, but I don't even, like I said, I really don't even have the heart really to ride this beast. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really want to ride it. If I don't, I could just go buy a cheap beater for $2 grand, 1,500, $2 grand, whatever, and beat that. You know what I mean? Why ruin a time capsule? You know what I mean? It's like a time capsule, basically. You know, I just can't get over this, man. I just don't have the heart to ride it. And I kind of like thinking to myself, like, well, I shouldn't even have bought it, but I couldn't pass it up. Like, I mean, you don't find these. You know what I mean? You don't find these. Not like this. Clean title, one owner, all original, like clean original. This guy had this in a heated garage. Look, I can see my reflection. I mean, this is just unbelievable shape. And this is a 1992 with the original tires that aren't, they're not even dry rotted. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Original Dunlop tires. Check that out. Look at this. Unbelievable. And the, you know, the shock guards, the forks for the shocks, I mean, look at that. These are always cracked and busted up. Whew. I mean, this thing is just so clean. Unbelievable. So I had to share this with you folks because you know, you just don't see these bikes at all like this. I mean, you don't see them at all. Not this clean. It's a Bratman special today. Bratman Saturday special. Hope you guys are being safe out there. Having a good weekend so far. I'm hanging in there. I had better days, but you know, I'm hanging in there. Life isn't roses. You know what I mean? Everybody has their own problems and issues in life, you know, and I'm one of them. So it's a struggle. So yeah, so here it is, folks. The 1992 KDX Kawasaki. That's basically like brand new. It's just unbelievable. I just had to share this with you guys. Hope the video is clear enough for you. It's just an amazing bike. You don't see them like this at all. And check out that swing arm. Oh man, this thing is so clean. It's got a little bit of dirt, a little bit right, you know, I can clean that up though, but it's just whew, no scratches, the frame is mint. I mean, it's just unbelievable. Not a single leak. The only thing I had to fix was the fuel line. It's typical, you know. I just had to order a new one of these because it's, you know, it's a 92. But I have to put the new fuel hose on it, but this is just in unbelievable shape. This bike is just so clean. It's got a few little specks of dirt on it, but minty fresh other than that. And over here we have the 89 KDX. Wow, what do you know? It's a Honda Kawasaki. It's a Kawasaki Honda. Check that out, guys. Holy moly, I never even knew they made a Kawasaki Honda KDX. That's pretty sharp looking. Must be the dual seat option too. Yeah, I'm working on her. She's almost done. Still got a few things to do on this. I should have it buttoned up in a day or two. I'll be back with an update video on the 89 KDX. We're gonna get her out in its glory. This thing's got KPS suspension on it, man. Someone definitely put the money into the suspension. The suspension's amazing on this bike. It's got the FMF on it. Okay, it's definitely a nice bike. I love KDXs, Kawasaki's, man. They're just really awesome bikes, you know what I mean? So wanted to share that with you guys today. I don't want to keep this video super long or anything, but there she is, man. 1992 Kawasaki KDX, all original from the factory. It's like it just rolled off the showroom floor, man. Like if you were to go back in 1991, you could get the 92 model. So 1991, you can get the 92 model, I believe. So if you were to roll in that, you know, motorsports shop, you saw this is what it would look like, brand new. I mean, check this out. Unbelievable. I had to share it with you guys, so I hope you liked the video. And you know, if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. I'll be back with some more videos. And yeah, definitely subscribe. You can see the green paint on that box. I was touching up the KDX tank on this box. You can see it's all green, but it's funny. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, you know, like and subscribe. And if you guys, I'm getting ahead of myself here, but yeah, I wanted to say, if you guys can find a good deal on a KDX, get one. If you guys want a fun bike that's, you know, easy to ride and it's not high up, because I'm not really that tall. I'm like 5'7" or something like that. But here comes the sirens. It's going to get loud. So if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at BratmanOfficial. And I'll see you guys later. Peace and hair grease. See ya. Enjoy the sirens. See ya.